This is the real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with a really challenging question here. The reason why this question is so challenging is because it requires that you have an understanding of the past perfect tense, which is a really weird tense. The error comes in the relationship between two verbs. So we start out by saying, although she had never served, this is past perfect. If you're not sure what that is, go look it up because it's really important to the SAT. The note here is, I know it's past perfect because it has the word had, which as a verb is only used in the past perfect tense. Although she had never served in public office, whenever the actress, who is quite charismatic, speaks publicly about her political views, this speaks is wrong because, so C is the right answer, this speaks is wrong because of its relationship to the past perfect tense. So you have to know the way past perfect works. Past perfect is used in a sentence when you have three different events. You need to have, on a timeline, you need to have something in the present, which is typically the author. Right? Something doesn't necessarily need to happen, but the author needs to speak from the perspective of the present. Something needs to happen in the past. And then something also needs to happen before the past. And this time period should be conjugated using past perfect. The way that you conjugate that is had and then some past participle. In this case, had served. Okay? If you're using the past perfect, which we are because had is not underlined in this sentence, so we're required to use it, it means that you have to have something that occurred in the simple past. Speaks, which is underlined in C, is a present tense verb. So it's not wrong in the sense that you couldn't form a sentence this way using the word speaks. The problem is actually you can't use past perfect unless you have something in the past. So C has to be spoke. Whenever she spoke publicly about her political views, fans would ask her to consider running for office. That's what should go in there instead.